How to get Wi-Fi on Air New Zealand. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can get Wi-Fi on Air New Zealand. So the first step is to check if Wi-Fi is available, and to do that, first of all, download the Air New Zealand app, just like I've done here. And then once you've downloaded the app, pull down the notification bar and then look for a Wi-Fi by clicking on the Wi-Fi button at the top of the screen. Then by clicking on the Wi-Fi button, this indicates that Wi-Fi is available on this flight. So once you've seen the Wi-Fi, once you are on board, switch your device to flight mode, and which is also known as airplane mode. Also, by pulling down your notification bar, you would see your airplane mode or your flight mode. Ensure you select it. By selecting that, your phone will be on flight mode. And then once you take off, is once your flight takes off, wait for a few minutes for the Wi-Fi system to be activated. Once it is activated, turn on your device's Wi-Fi while staying in flight mode. And by doing that, you'll see the Wi-Fi network named ANZ in-flight Wi-Fi. So select that and then follow the instructions. You might be required to visit wifi.ns.com, then follow the on-screen connections, on-screen instructions, sorry, to connect. And then you can now browse the web, send and receive emails and social media until the aircraft prepares for landing. Making use of the flight Wi-Fi is very, very effective because it allows you to stay in touch even with your family members while on air. Thank you for watching and have a good day.